In today's video, we will be talking about personal function settings. This is used so that IDs do not have to repeatedly enter the same information. For instance, if a particular ID always has to enter the same customer or same pick, then by setting up a personal function setting, it will automatically be filled based on that ID. So here's how it works. If this particular ID has to enter First Street every time, along with Jamie and location out, then simply click on the profile icon and press Personal Function Settings. Here, click the Set Slip Input and decide the default customer, vendor, department, project, pick, and location in and out for your company's needs. So let's do First Street, and instead of having Jamie, I'll have John. As you can see, John has already been inputted, and if this does not show up, you have to check the input screen setting. Click on Default and click on the item that does not show up and press Setup, and go to Default Unset. You have to make sure that the order 1 has to be Load Info and Load User Information. Make sure to apply and save. As you can see, it has now been filled in. Moving on, if you want to use the personal function settings of the slip input of default location and factory out and location in, you need to have it set to, I will set Apple Juice Factory for location out, or default location factory out, and Apple Juice Factory 2 to make the difference. Now, commonly, you will be using it in menus such as the production menus. So if you go to a new goods issued, for instance, which is under inventory 1 and production 1, the code Apple Juice Factory 1 is correctly entered, and as you can see in production and goods received 1, the factory and the location in are correctly inputted as well. So this concludes the video on how to practice using personal function settings.